This series of QuickStart modules covers setting up a SmartServer. The first of 3 modules covers the initial IP setup.
In order to access the SmartServer to change its IP settings, you will need to temporarily add the SmartServer's subnet to your computer's routing tables. To do this on a Windows XP computer, open a command prompt, type the command shown, and press Enter. On a Windows 7 or Vista computer, run the command prompt with administrator privileges. You will need your computer's IPv4 address, which can be obtained by typing the command ipconfig and pressing Enter. To enter the SmartServer's subnet to your Windows 7 or Vista computer, type the command shown, substituting your computer's IPv4 address, and press Enter. Next, open the SmartServer in a Internet Explorer 7 or later, or Firefox 3 or later browser, using its default IP address of 192.168.1.222. To access the SmartServer's configuration page, click on the Login button and enter the SmartServer's default ILON username and ILON password and click the OK button. Position the mouse pointer over Setup in the upper menu and then click TCP/IP in the drop-down menu that appears. Enter the new IP information, which can be obtained from the local network administrator. In order to access time servers entered in the form of a host name instead of an IP address, access to a DNS server is required. This also can be obtained from the local network administrator. Click Submit once the IP and DNS information is entered. Note that if your browser is using a proxy server and the SmartServer is on the same subnet as your PC, the browser should be set to bypass the proxy server for local addresses.
This completes the IP setup module. The next QuickStart Setup module covers the time and security setup procedures.